Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a special gift for Father's Day. For this we need a piece of paper. Fold the paper as shown. Then using a scissor, cut as shown. Fold the paper. Now glue this in place. In the same way, apply glue at the bottom as well. Now we can write whatever message we want here. Here I am writing Dad. Happy Father's Day. Best Papa ever. Thank you so much for everything. You are my hero. I am also making small hearts. And then highlight it using yellow color brush pen or sketch pen. And that's it. A cute little bookmark for Father's Day is now ready. You can give this to your father this Father's Day and I'm sure he will be very happy. So I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.